Guys, Reese, the blue bird here, and a fox with two tails, and I'll be ultimate life. Shut up! We're like in a partnership. He's a Sonic Plus World. Oh, great, whatever. Stupid. Well, anyways, we're doing news. I forgot what the news was. Okay, stop. What? What's happening to my voice? Okay, Shadow, what happened?
I am Shadow, the ultimate life. With this new voice, I shall become the ultimate prototype too.
Oh, great. Now his voice is just a lot worse. I can't believe it. Not that one getting any worse.
You never cease to surprise me, Blue Hedgehog. I thought that capsule you were inside exploded in space.
Stop quoting Sonic Adventure 2. Yeah, it's annoying.
With that Chaos Emerald, how were you able to do the Chaos Control?
Just shut up.
Chaos! Speed! This is why I am the ultimate life. Maria, Dr. Gerald, I shall avenge your deaths.
Shut up! The reason why we did that short was because to show you that we have a new voice actor as Shadow, and it's going to be on the remake version only. And as always, thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Sonic Revolution, and also, please wait for the remake version. It's coming. It's going to be awesome. Yeah. So, bye.